Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Joby May from the Acre and a Half Homestead. We are on our way to Puerto Venezia in Zaragoza, Spain, guys.
And the pilot.
Yes, so guys, we are now here in Ikea Zaragoza. So let's enter.
Oh, kain na tayo. Ready na sila.
Okay, that's so nice. Okay, so let's go up.
Repeat yata. Hindi, basta hindi ako magtatapos.
Kain tayo, guys.
Brunch.
Yeah, brunch, late breakfast and early lunch. But we're going to eat lunch later. So, what is this mudra? It's like a box.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. 39. This one is all black, huh? Do you like black things? Yes. Look, it's so nice. So this is really cute also. Mudra, I need something like this, but with cover.
Sa baba, sister.
Sis, yeah?
Tandaan mo lang yung number niya.
Okay. Kasi ano sis, gagamitin kong gagawa ng bread.
Yeah.
Si Sarah is here. And look at this. It is so cute. This one also. Ah, where is yours? The sofas are so cute, no sis? This one is 19. It's not that so heavy. And this one is, what is this? Yeah, Sanella. That's pillow cover.
Yung parang malalapad na upuan. Gusto ko yung ganun yun.
Kasi yung space mo, dapat. This one is 50 euros for center tables. I mean, coffee tables.
That's the chair.
Sis, Sis Pam is trying the.
What do you want?
Is it comfortable? It's 150.
This is what I'm telling to
Ed.
Ed. That's what I want.
Kaya nga sis, no? No, you can check sis and then
Malaki yung ano nyo. Ayun. I-assemble nyo siya, sister. Kaso nga lang
okay.
dapat the wood.
Yeah. Sillon Solsta. This is 100. It's cute as well. This color is so nice. Oh, so expensive. Manta. It's really cute. Mga mudra. Ang cute, no?
Kaya lang.
Tin.
Ayun.
No sis?
Yeah.
Okay. That's mine sis. Without, maybe?
Tingnan mo, Jo.
So cute. I love it.
Small, yung maliit lang na bayan.
Yeah.
Merong kwarto.
Kaya nga sis, no? It's
Tapos
like,
ito kwarto ng bata.
oh. So this is the, it's so cute. This is a real house. It looks like a real house. So turn left. You have the toilet. Hi. And here, this is the main bedroom. Yes, and they also have these. It's really cute. Okay. And this is the bedroom for the kids. So just like they have to share the room. This one. It's so cute. I love it. And the pantry is so nice as well. Oh, it's so nice. So they have so beautiful, guys. This one, that color. That color pink, I like that pink color. They're so nice. This is so nice. 4 is 16 euros. We also have these nice bowls. And this one is really cute as well. it's quite heavy, guys.
Three?
Okay lang na gabi na tayo makabalik. Oo, ang ganda naman sa baba pa.
Yes. So, where would you like to go? Kahit saan sis, pila. Yes.
That is for eating or
Oh my gosh. It's
cinema.
Is that cinema?
I guess so. Or there's a
No, it's Chinese because the name is chopstick. OMG.
Dunkin' Donuts. Okay.
Dalan sa bahay.
Sinesa.
Magkakape kayo.
Where cafe espresso.
Naman, kakain pa rin.
Kakain muna. It's nice. It's soft
Yeah.
and the price is okay.
Like the musa.
Yeah.
Is it for guys or
42. Size 42.
sabi ko mag-aaral ka ng ano?
Iisip ko baka ayaw tanggapin mo.
Primark brand. Hello guys, we are now here at an Italian restaurant and waiting for the girls to come, and then I will go and take my food. So this is my food. Yes. Hello sister. Hi. Hello mga sister.
Sana ba?
Sis,
Sa baba
so beautiful.
Kaya nga. Ano ito? Ang ganda naman. Parang nagawa yan.
Mas o menos. Yes. Maganda siya sis. Huh? Pull and bear. Pull and bear? You want to go to Pull and Bear? Let's go. Thank you all so much guys for watching, and I forgot to take a video guys after we arrive home and show you the things that I bought from Ikea and other shops in Puerto Venecia.